Hi, it's me. I'm not going to show my face because my hair looks terrible. I'm going to sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. I thought I was pretty good when I tried to sing it. So here goes. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you won't take claim. It was all, and it was over, until you kissed my lips, then you saved me. My hand is strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. I say this time to you that I never want to sleep. You say they will never win the game. You think you would always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour and I catch your face. Where it burn while I hide, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. With you, I say it now. I only did the first part. I didn't sing the first part, so I tried to sing that little first part of that verse, and it was pretty bad. Comment and tell me if you like this, because I get views, but I don't get comments, and that's what I'm really looking for. Views are great. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but thanks for listening to that, and I'm probably going to post another one after this, so be ready. Late peeps. Bye-bye, haters.